Hello there and welcome to episode 787 of my Sales Secret series. My name is Peter Beckenham, the Village Marketer, and today we're talking about prospecting, but from a completely different perspective, probably from what you're thinking. You see, to me, prospecting is not cold calling. And I want to say that right up front. There's complete confusion about this, unfortunately, because most people are still being coached and trained the wrong way when it comes to this. If you are prospecting by cold calling people, right, then I can tell you you're missing out on so much. In particular, you're missing out on some incredible, priceless experiences that could be just unbelievable in terms of the opportunities. But unfortunately, you're creating a first impression that is not that darn good. Please hear me out. Mindset is everything. What I want you to think of is this. In prospecting, I want you to be reaching out to people without any hidden agenda. Okay? None at all. Simply to form a friendship. Just to be a friend with them, okay? And more importantly, to create some sort of memorable moment with them. It might only take 10 seconds. For example, just today, people have reached out to me on LinkedIn and Facebook, and I've left them a voice clip saying, delighted to have connected with you. I'm looking forward to getting to know you, and thank you so much for thinking of me and being connected with me. Boom, that's it. When I reached out, I left the same voice message. What am I doing? Trying to create a memorable moment with them. Not trying to sell them anything, right? Not trying to get them on a call, okay? Just to create a memorable moment or experience, okay? Unfortunately, most cold calling has one purpose only, right? And that is to get the person onto a call. Think about it. That's the truth, right? Get them onto a call. You actually are interrupting their day in order to get them onto a call. And that's the mindset you have, okay? And that's precisely the problem with cold calling, because the focus is only getting them on a call, right? Can you see the difference now? What I want you to think about is this. I want you to start, instead of paying lip service to building friendships, right, in order to get someone on a call, because that's just fake friendship by saying, how you doing, what's happening today, how long have you lived there, etc. I mean, that's a lot of rubbish, right, be quite frank with you. And they know it. They're just waiting for you to think, where's the sales pitch coming from? Instead of doing that, show genuine interest in people, okay, without any hidden agenda of trying to get them on a call. Of course you're running a business, and of course you'd like to have them as someone as a potential candidate for whatever you have at some point. But let's go step by step first. So separate the prospecting and the cold calling out. If you focus your prospecting on getting to know someone as a person, right, then what you are going to do is you're going to empower them and inspire them to want to talk more with you, because you haven't pushed to get them on a call. You haven't pushed to sell them anything. You simply are being nice. You are simply being natural, authentic, and an interesting person to talk about. That's all. You've created a memorable experience with them. Does that make sense? So if you do this right, okay, guess what you're doing? You're going to eliminate cold calling altogether, and you're also going to eliminate this whole problem of follow-up challenges. Because if you do it right and you create the first good impression, okay, then people will love to get back and talk with you. Most business relationships, when they're done by that stupid way of cold calling and reaching out to people, most of those relationships are finished at the word hello. I can tell you that. So don't do it, all right? Now, is this easy? It is easy, but you've got to be careful, right? You've got to be careful to get your head around the meaning of the right strategies and also the languages to be involved. The right language is so important. First impressions are very important, okay? And the way that you do this is very important. So if you want help in that area, message me. Message me and I'll give you, it's free, I'll give you access to a thing called Prospect Conversation Guide. It'll help you to build relationships with people that will, be quite frank, uncover invaluable opportunities that you would never had before when you simply tried to cold call them to get them on a call to sell them your stuff. Have a think about that. I hope you found it helpful. Until next time, best wishes from Thailand. Bye for now.